Sai Ram. So let's continue chapter number 6, division, and today we will see part 12 of it. So children, today we will discuss mixed problems. Now what are mixed problems? Mixed problems are those problems where we have all the four operations, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we follow a order which is called as DMAS. This order we follow, DMAS, you can see here. So this order we follow to simplify a mixed problem, where D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So suppose if we have a question where we have all these operations, so first we will follow this order only. First we will do division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So how we will be doing this? Let's have a look. We'll see one example. So based on that, we will start with exercise 6.8. So simplify. Here you can see, children, 6240 divided by 4 multiplied by 20 plus 18 minus 52. Now you can see here we have division also, multiplication also, addition and subtraction also. So which operation we will be doing first? So as we discussed, first we will do division, then multiplication, then addition and lastly we will do subtraction. So here we will do this operation first, where we have to divide. So we will divide here 6240 by 4 first. Okay. So what we will get? 4 ones are 4. We will bring down the 2 down. Now 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now we will bring down the next digit, which is 4 here. So 4 6 are 24. And this 0 as it is. So after dividing, we will get quotient as 1560 and there is no remainder. So what we will get here after dividing? It will be 1560. Then we will write the next operation as it is, multiplied by 20 plus 18 minus 52. Now which operation? Division we have already done. Now we will be doing multiplication. So here you can see we have multiplication here. Okay. So now we'll be multiplying. So we'll multiply 1560 by 20. So when we'll multiply, simply we'll put 2 zeros at the end. These 2 zeros. And now we'll multiply 6 2s are 12. 1 will be carried over. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. And 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 31,200. After multiplication, we have got here 31,200 plus this addition minus 52. Okay. Now which operation? Multiplication also we have done. Now which one? Addition. So here you can see, here we have to add 18 to it. So when we'll add, simply we'll get 31,218 minus 52. So when we'll just subtract from 31,218, when we'll subtract 52, what we'll get? 8 minus 2 6. This will be 11 minus 5. So 6. Here we'll get 1. Wait. 1, and here we'll be having 1 only and 3. So what is the answer? After subtracting, we'll get 31,166. So in this way, we'll get the answer for a mixed problem. First, always remember, in this type of problem, first we do the division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly we do the subtraction. Okay. Stepwise, you have to follow each step and you will get the final answer like this. Okay, first we divided You can see here, first we have divided, okay, then after dividing we will multiply, then adding, and then lastly we will do the subtraction to get the final answer. Okay, now let's see the next one. Now this is number C. Let's solve it together again. So we'll start with, you can see here, division, multiplication, addition, then again multiplication, then subtraction, then division. Okay, so first of all, which operation we will do, children? Yes, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first we will divide. So when we will divide this 3600 by 90, what we will get? We can do the cancellation method here. So we'll get 9 4s are 30, 9 4s are 36. So 40 we will get here after dividing. Then we'll put this multiplication sign as it is, this addition sign, then again 24 minus, now here you can see again division is there. So we will divide. So when we'll divide 120 by 6, we will get 20. Okay. Now division is already done. Now we'll move to multiplication. So here you can see multiplication. Here also there is multiplication. So 49s would be 360. Simply we multiplied 4 by 9 and put this 0 at the end. Plus now we'll multiply 24 by 5. So when we'll multiply 24 by 5, we'll get, what we'll get? We will get 120. So that we will write here minus 20. Now in the next step we will add. So we'll add 360 plus 120. So when we'll add, we'll get 480. So 480 minus 20. Now we'll just subtract. So when we'll subtract, we'll get 460 as answer. Okay, children. So you have to follow the order, like division first, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. So in this we will get the answer. Here you can see 460 is the answer. Okay. Now children, we'll solve some word problems also. So question number 2 is, Ronit has rupees 25,000. He wants to distribute them equally among 7 members of his staff. How much money will each member get if Ronit keeps rupees 11,000 with himself? So children, as you can see, this is a word problem. So you have to read it twice. You should read it twice. Read it carefully. Then you have to find out what is been given, what you have to find out, and which operation you will be using to solve to get the answer. So here you can see Ronit has 25,000 and he wants to distribute them equally among 7 members of his staff. But he keeps rupees 11,000 with himself. So how we'll find the answer? First, we will write what is been given. So what is been given? Total money with Ronit is been given, which is rupees 25,000. So money Ronit keeps with himself is rupees 11,000. So money left for distribution. How we'll get how much money will be left for distribution? Because total amount was 25,000 and Ronit is keeping rupees 11,000 with himself. So we will subtract that 11,000 from 25,000. When we'll subtract, we will get 14,000. Now this is the money that he can distribute among 7 members of his staff. So to divide this amount equally among 7 members of his staff, what we will do? We will divide that amount by 7. Okay, so when we'll divide 14,000 by 7, we will get 2,000. Okay, so in this way we will get the answer as, thus each member will get rupees 2,000. Because this is a word problem, so final answer you have to write in the form of statement. So thus each member will get rupees 2,000. Got it, children? First you have to read the word problem carefully. You have to understand which operation to be done to get the answer, and final answer you should write in the form of statement. Okay. Now let's see the next. Now question number 3 is, Shipra buys a fridge for rupees 35,000. She pays rupees 15,000 to the shopkeeper and decides to pay rest of the money in 4 equal parts. How much money will she have to pay in each part? Again, you have to read and you have to understand that Shipra is buying a fridge which cost rupees 35,000. So she pays rupees 15,000 to the shopkeeper and decides to pay rest of the money in 4 equal parts. So how much money did she pay to get that? What we will do? First we will write what is been given. So what is been given here? Cost of fridge is been given, which is rupees 35,000. Then money Shipra pays to shopkeeper. She pays rupees 15,000 to shopkeeper. That we will write. That is already given. Then money left to be paid. After paying rupees 15,000 to the shopkeeper, how much money is left to be paid? So we will subtract. So when we will subtract this 15,000 from 35,000, we will get 20,000. Now because she wants to pay the money left to be paid in 4 equal parts. So we will divide this amount in 4. To divide this amount in 4 equal parts, we will divide it by 4. So when we will divide 20,000 by 4, we will get 5,000. Okay. So this is the amount she will be paying in 4 equal parts. Okay. So in each part she will be paying rupees 5,000. So final answer we will write as, thus Shipra has to pay rupees 5,000 in each part. Okay. So in this way we solve the word problem. Okay. You have to read it nicely. You have to read it carefully. Then you have to decide which operation to be done and final answer in the form of statement. So children, that's all for today. Thank you.